Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making almond tarts. Here I have a pizza pan and I'm gonna bake frozen tarts. And make sure when you buy these that they are the ones to bake sweets, because there's the ones for appetizers. These are, I think they're 30 shells in a pan. Okay, they're going to the oven right now. 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start now with the eggs. With an electric mixer, I'm gonna start beating the eggs. And I have the sugar we'll beat this until it's nice and fluffy. Okay, this is ready, and I'm gonna take the tarts out of the oven. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna leave it here to cool off. In the meantime, I'm gonna start putting the almond flour in the egg mixture. It's nice and fluffy. Okay. I'm gonna mix it well until it's all well combined. Okay, now I'm gonna add the almond extract. I'll just add the zest of the 1 lemon. And we'll save the juice. I'm gonna do the icing for these tarts. A lemon icing. So you gotta watch the video until the end. We mix everything until everything is well combined. Okay, looks good. Here I have a piece of cake. So it's just a sponge cake. And you can get the recipe on Nonna says Mangia. So I'm gonna put some of the liqueur on the sponge cake because it's gonna go inside the tarts. Mostly it's the inside that you want. So this is just gonna soak up. Okay, so it's nice and soaked. Okay, we'll set aside here. And here I have dark chocolate chips, semi-sweet. And here are the Maraschino Cherry, which I cut them in little pieces. So they'll go inside the tarts. So the tarts, I think they're ready. Okay, so we just get some like this, and I'll start filling them just because I'll be putting more on top once I put the chocolate chips inside and the cherry and the cake. So you can put like maybe 4 chocolate chip. Very good. Now this is nice and wet. So we'll put a piece of the sponge cake. The maraschino cherry. I'll put it here so you can see. So now, see, it's all covered. And they will puff up a little bit in the oven. So now I'm gonna bake these, and then once they cool off, I will put the icing. Whatever I have left, maybe I'll put on top. So if you have any leftover, just go over it and see if you need more. That's okay. You can put it on top. It's fine. The almond tarts are ready. They're out of the oven. They're still hot. Beautiful. Okay. As soon as they cool off, I'm gonna do the icing, and I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm gonna start with the icing now. This is a lemon, the lemon from earlier. Here I have icing sugar. Beautiful. And these are the tarts. They've been cooling off. You can eat them like this. But we like them with the icing. When I do these things, I like to use my fingers, my hands. Okay, a little bit of patience. And then we'll use the cherry for the top. Nice. It's nice when it drips to the side a little bit, which it will. I'll do this other one, and then you can see I have all these to do. And I will show you everything in a minute. The tarts are ready for mangiare. Don't they look beautiful? And I'm gonna try one. I will show you what it looks like from the inside. They're still a little wet from the icing. Delicious. They look so good. Too good. I'm gonna try it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.